Okay, here I'm going to show you how to add a page and from scratch. That way you can see how we get going with this. Like normal, add new. And we're going to just put a title in there. Anytime you're starting a new page, you always have to click this. That brings out the visual builder, the visual builder format, and it's how the rest of the site is, so you want to keep it that way. The first thing you want to do is add that header. So you go down here, you can add things here for section, specialty, add from library. I've already got the header saved, so you go into add from library and choose ferry header. Click on it, it brings it in. But now we have this default row here. We want to get rid of that. Anytime you want to get rid of a row, just get on the left-hand side here, click the X, and it disappears. So right now all we have is the header. I'll show you that. We'll publish it. And then we'll view it. We got the header and the menu and the footer. Now let's go back to editing. When you're adding a row, you're going to want to add a standard section right here. Now here you got some interesting layouts. It takes your row and you can either use a full width row like this, or you can use half and half or thirds. Thirds is what I use on the top of your site now for the opt-in, the image, and I forget what, there's another thing with the button. Anyway, so you can do quarters, you can do 2/3 and a third, and it's really nice for layout, because you know how difficult it is to make these kind of layouts in WordPress. So first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and set up half and half. This gives us two separate modules here. Now the way you can do this, you can just add text and use it like normal WordPress by clicking into add module. But these are all the options you have that are pre-done for you. This is why I like Divi so much. If you just want to put an image in there, click on image, and then you upload the image. Let's say we'll take this one, and you add it there like that. And you save it. Over here, let's put something else in. Instead of an image, we can just put some text. Take it to a text box. And that gives you the edit window like this. And there's some text. I'm going to save it. Let's see what that looks like. Here's an image. We're going to figure out why that's doing that, but then you'll have the image, and then you have the copy here. And let me go back to editing. Anyway, let's go back and add another row here. Standard section. This time we'll add full like that. And then here, once again, we insert modules. You can put a contact form. You can use code from, let's say, Aweber or something like that. You can add an audio file. And you just upload the audio here, and we'll put in play buttons. Exit with an X. It puts it in even if you didn't really want it, so you just want to get rid of that. You click that, and it just goes back to the blank insert module. You can add a testimonial. You can put in who the author is, company name, author URL, even an image of the person, and then a regular edit box for adding the testimony. Let's delete that. So basically what would be best for you to do is go and try this out on a blank page. Just mess with stuff. You can go ahead and put a divider in there that gives you some space in between rows. You can have multiple stuff within the row. We've got a divider. Let's put another module in there. Let's put a countdown timer. Update. And view. And it's a timer. You can set it with, we didn't set it with any numbers, but you can do, that's really nice for, to create a sense of urgency on your page. Let's go back to edit. I'll show you one more thing. Let's get rid of that timer. Insert module. You put tabs in there. Social media follow. We can put a video in there. You put a video slider. You have multiple videos. It will just show you screen caps of each one of the videos, and it'll work like a regular slider, only it's video. It's very cool stuff. So anyway, once you've done all that, make sure you hit the update button, and then you're done. Let me know, and I'll make more videos in depth of any one particular or two topics you want to see more in depth, and I'll do it for you. No problem.